Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Have you ever brought your dogs for a walk and they suddenly decide to find the nearest mud pit to jump into? Anyway, MudBuster. So you add a little bit of soap in here, a little shampoo, you pour some water in. Again, here, Sadie, sit. And just grab her paw. And now clean her paws right off. And just get their muddy paws. Put it in there. Turn around a little bit. And then almost as good as... Here, come here. Then we got this other paw. And then we just put that in there. And Sadie sometimes likes to lay down for this part of the process. And then nice and clean. Okay?